12:23 this afternoon, and we're about to get into a pretty dangerous time, actually. Right in southern parts of Missouri, Arkansas, northern Louisiana. The storm's not there yet, but you can see that they're approaching. And when they hit here, it's going to be at the right worst part of the day, that late afternoon period when storms have their peak intensity, and that's why we have a moderate risk for weather. And I know moderate doesn't sound high, but out of the 5 levels of severe weather, that's level 4 out of 5. And you can see other areas that are experiencing severe weather through Iowa, down into Texas. But what about here in the valley? And notice the marginal risk, the lowest category of severe weather, cuts off right at that Hidalgo-Starr County line. The storm's arriving too late to really have as much energy as they do late in the afternoon. That's why there's such a big threat in Arkansas, because those storms are happening in the late afternoon, which is the peak time for severe weather. They're not going to be arriving here until about 2 a.m. And even if Falfurrious, it's only a 5% chance of seeing a damaging wind gust. So that kind of gives you an idea. Even if that marginal risk was here, it wouldn't be a very big chance. And I just don't think it's going to happen. We're going to see scattered storms and showers, but no severe weather. Now, this afternoon, when we hit our high temperatures around 3, 4 o'clock, they'll be in the mid-90s on average, but it's going to feel more like 101, which is probably going to be our high temperature in Rio Grande City, because that humidity, that's making a difference. Now, notice this evening we're still dry, even at 10 o'clock, but the clouds starting to thicken back up. That right ahead of the cold front. But notice the timing. It hasn't changed even from this morning. We still think it's about 2 a.m. when we start to see the thunderstorms pop up. And it may not just be thunderstorms. That late, you'll probably be a combination of thunderstorms and showers, and they're going to be scattered. I still think we're going to see some around 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, but by 10 a.m. we are dry. Now, there's still going to be a lot of clouds, but starting at 10 a.m. those clouds will be breaking up. And around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're expecting sunny skies, much lower humidity, and high temperatures only in the low 80s. And it's really going to feel like the low 80s because of that low humidity. It looks like a windy afternoon like today, but much cooler. 95 our high temperature this afternoon, but keep in mind that many are going to feel like 101 before it's all said and done. The humidity really oppressive out there. Skies will finish up becoming mostly sunny. We're already seeing that in parts of the upper valley, and it's going to remain windy with gusts around 35 miles per hour. Winds will die down a little bit this evening, but we're still going to see gusts around 25. And keep in mind, for the evening hours, you're going to be okay. No rain to worry about. But late tonight, after 2 a.m., scattered showers and thunderstorms, and then we'll finally cool down once our winds shift to the north to around 69. All right, now here's the breakdown, because I want to stress how nice this weekend's going to be. The rain ends at 10 a.m. And then we're going to see windy conditions, but much lower humidity. So that low 80s is really going to feel like the low 80s. Now, Sunday is going to be even nicer. It's going to be chilly Sunday morning, low 50s. Keep in mind, a normal low temperature for us is in the mid-60s. So low 50s is going to be on the chilly side. But no worries, because it's going to be warm in the afternoon. Low humidity, light winds, sunny skies all day long Sunday. Excellent weather, excellent. And it's too bad that we don't have Monday off, because Monday's going to be real nice too. Upper 50s to start, but mid 80s in the afternoon. Lots of sunny skies out there. And even Tuesday looking pretty good. 86 for our high, and the humidity still at comfortable levels. That's why we still have mostly sunny skies. It'll be windy, but that's about the only negative. Now, come Wednesday, it's a different story. The humidity is going to be coming back, and that 88 will feel more like 90 degrees when you factor in that humidity, and that's why we're going to have more clouds around. Our next rain chance, not until next Thursday, and it's really not that good. Only a few showers are possible just in that more humid air mass. So hopefully we'll get some good rain tonight, because after that it's looking pretty dry, but pretty nice weather to look forward to. Dina?